How to earn OneKeyCash on hotels.com. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. If we want to do so in today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started with the video. First of all, let's head over to hotel.com and this is the following interface we'll be finding. And the thing is, you can earn OneKeyCash on hotels.com just by booking eligible travel while logged into our OneKey account. It works like cashback that we can use for future bookings. So once we are in hotels.com, we can follow up the normal process of booking hotel by entering about destination, the dates, the guest number, and click on search. And we can start the process of booking hotel. So we can find the hotel that we would like to book. After that, we can head over to the hotel space and we can start with the booking. To book, we can card for our unit and then click on this option called reserve and reserve the hotel. And once we start reserving the hotel or once we have reserved the hotel, we'll be basically earning 2% back in OneKeyCash for every $1 spent on eligible hotel bookings. For example, if we spend $200 for this hotel, we'll be earning a reward $4 OneKeyCash. And we can also earn rewards when booking through the same account. So hotels on hotels.com, vacation rentals on Vervo, or flights, hotel, cars, activity on Expedia. And if we reach higher membership levels, we can even earn more. For silver, gold, platinum, we can see this blue tier section that will basically upgrade and let us add VIP access properties. And some credit card even give extra rewards for OneKey. We can use our credit card as well. And our rewards usually appear after a few days after we finish our stay, so we can just go over and follow that process. And we should be able to earn the OneKeyCash on hotels.com very easily. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.